In this video, we'll walk you through the simple and user-friendly process of receiving cryptocurrency on Revolut. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, begin by launching the Revolut app on your mobile device and logging into your account. So once you're in, navigate to the crypto or cryptocurrencies section where you will find an array of supported cryptocurrencies. Now go ahead and choose the specific cryptocurrency you're anticipating, and within its options, locate the Receive feature. Now upon selecting Receive, Revolut will generate a unique wallet address associated with the chosen cryptocurrency. Now you will have the option to either copy this address or utilize the convenient QR code that represents your wallet information. The copied address or shared QR code is what you will need to provide to the individual sending you a crypto. Now, sharing these information allows the sender to initiate the transaction by confirming it from their end. It's a secure and efficient way to ensure the smooth transfer of cryptocurrency. While awaiting for the incoming transactions, Revolut will typically notify you of successful transfers, keeping you informed and in control of your crypto assets. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.